Join me as I take on the challenge of building my own outdoor seating from scratch. Let's see if I can create some awesome DIY garden furniture. Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today we're stepping into the great outdoors to create some stunning DIY garden furniture. We'll guide you through building 5 simple yet stylish pieces, 2 of which are a rustic wooden bench and an Adirondack chair. These projects are perfect for beginners and will enhance your outdoor space without breaking the bank. Let's get started on creating your perfect garden retreat. Building your own outdoor seating can be a game changer for your garden or backyard. Not only can it save you a pretty penny, but it also gives you the freedom to customize the design to fit your personal style and space. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to add a personal touch to their outdoor oasis? Have you ever tried to find affordable outdoor seating that fits your unique space and style? It can be tough, right? You're either stuck with bland, overpriced options or designs that just don't quite fit your vision. And don't even get me started on the hassle of assembling cheap, flimsy furniture that's just going to fall apart after a few seasons. It's frustrating to say the least. But what if I told you that you don't have to settle for mediocre outdoor seating? What if you could create something beautiful, functional, and tailored to your specific needs for a fraction of the cost? Sounds too good to be true, but trust me, it's not. With a little bit of creativity, some basic tools, and the right materials, you can build your own outdoor seating that's both stylish and budget-friendly. So let's get started. Project 1, Rustic Wooden Bench. For our rustic bench, you'll need 2 pieces of 4x4 lumber, 36 inches long for the legs, 3 pieces of 2x6 lumber, 60 inches long for the seat and backrest, 2 pieces of 2x4 lumber, 17 inches long for support, wood screws, wood glue, a drill, a saw, sandpaper, and wood stain or paint. First, let's cut our wood to size. Always measure twice and cut once. Remember to wear safety goggles and gloves when using power tools. Now let's assemble the base. Attach the 2x4 support pieces to the 4x4 legs using wood screws and glue for extra stability. Next, we'll add the seat and backrest. Space the 2x6 boards evenly and secure them to the base with screws. Once assembled, sand all surfaces for a smooth finish. Then, apply your chosen stain or paint to protect the wood and enhance its appearance. And there you have it. Your rustic wooden bench is complete. Let's place it in the garden and see how it looks. Project 2, Adirondack Chair. For our Adirondack chair, you'll need 8 pieces of 1x6 lumber in various lengths for the seat, back, and arms, 2 pieces of 2x4 lumber for the frame, wood screws, wood glue, a drill, a jigsaw, sandpaper, and wood stain or paint. Let's start by cutting our wood. The Adirondack chair has some unique angles, so follow the cutting guide carefully. Now, we'll assemble the frame. This forms the foundation of our chair, so make sure everything is level and secure. Next, let's add the seat and back slats. Space them evenly for comfort and that classic Adirondack look. Now for the arms. These give the chair its distinctive style and provide a comfortable resting place. Finally, let's sand everything smooth and apply our chosen finish. This will protect your chair and make it look fantastic. Project 3, Easy Pallet Sofa. For our pallet sofa, you'll need 3 to 4 wooden pallets, cushions or foam padding, sandpaper, paint or wood stain, screws, and a drill. Start by cleaning the pallets and sanding them smooth. This prevents splinters and creates a nicer finish. Stack the pallets to create the base and backrest. Secure them together with screws for stability. Add cushions for comfort and style. You can paint or stain the wood for a more polished look. Project 4, DIY Outdoor Side Table with Cooler. For this clever side table, you'll need wood planks, either cedar or pressure-treated pine, a plastic cooler that fits your dimensions, hinges, screws, and a drill, and wood stain or paint. Build a frame that fits snugly around your cooler. This will be the base of your table. Create a hinged top that allows easy access to the cooler below. Make sure it's sturdy enough to hold drinks and snacks. Finish your table with stain or paint to protect it from the elements. Now you have a stylish side table that keeps your drinks cool. Project 5, Modern Outdoor Chairs. For these sleek chairs, you'll need 2x4 lumber, about 4 to 5 8-foot boards per chair, wood screws and a drill, sandpaper, and wood finish. Cut your 2x4s according to the plan. We'll start by building the frame of the chair, focusing on clean lines for a modern look. Now let's add the seat and back slats. Space them evenly for comfort and that contemporary feel. Sand your chair smooth and apply a weather-resistant finish. Add cushions if desired for extra comfort. We've created 5 amazing pieces of DIY garden furniture. A rustic bench, an Adirondack chair, a pallet sofa, a side table with a built-in cooler, and modern outdoor chairs. Each of these projects adds unique style and functionality to your outdoor space. Thanks for joining us for this DIY garden furniture extravaganza. Which project was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. Happy building!